Good day children. Today's class we will be learning about factors and multiples, subtopic prime numbers and composite numbers. Before we start, let me ask you, what are natural numbers? Yes, natural numbers are those numbers that start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When we state these counting numbers are called natural numbers, how about prime and composite numbers? To help you out, on the board I have posted some numbers, where in one column you will see 7, 13, 29, 43. Other side you have 6, 15, 24 and 50. What difference or what different aspect do you notice in both the columns? Yes, when you look at 7, if I ask you to note the factors of 7, you would start as 1 sevens are. If for 13, 1 13s are. 29, 1 29s are. 43, 1 43s are. Are there any possibilities of any other factors? No. Let us check on the other side, that is 6, 15, 24 and 50. Here you notice the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 15 starts from 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 24 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Factors of 50 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. What did you note the difference in both the sides? Yes, you could note on the left side the numbers have 1 and the number itself as the factors, whereas on the right side you see there are more than 2 factors. This comes up to the definition of prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have 1 and the number itself as the factors, whereas composite numbers are those which have 2 or more than factors. Simple concept will keep in mind. Prime states which turns out to be different than as compared to the other numbers. Composite signifies it comprises of maximum number of factors. So here let us start with some examples wherein you will be asked to identify which are prime and which are composite numbers. Let us see. Here the question states you need to circle the prime numbers in the given set of numbers. So let us verify each number with respect to finding the factors. When we look at 4, 4 has factors 1, 2 and 4. So we consider 4 as a composite number. 17, 1 17s are. We don't have any other factors for 17. So you state that 17 is a prime number. 59. You need to check by dividing 2, 3 and so on the numbers so that you can finalize whether the given number is a prime or composite number. We note 59 as a prime number. Let us check with 63. Yes, you could easily make out that 7 9s are 63. So it has factors more than 1 and the number itself. So 63 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. 14. 14 is a composite number since we have even digit on the units place. 33. Yes, check that 11, how much are 33? Or 3, how much are 33? 11s are. So we have here one factor, so we won't be considering 33 as a prime number. Let us check with 37. As you can see, this is an odd number. Check across each of the possibilities whether it can be divisible. You note that yes, this number is not divisible. So you circle it and state it is a prime number. Let us try with 43. 43 is an odd number. Checking across all the possibilities, we came to the result that 43 is not divisible by any except 1 and the number itself. So it is a prime number. 49. It seems to be or it is a odd number, but check all the possibilities. You note that 7s are 49. So there are factors more than 2. So factors of 49 when asked, it would be 1, 7 and 49. So you would not circle 49 since this is a composite number. Let us check with 51. 51, as I told you in the previous class, when we add the digit 5 plus 1 results to 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So 51 can be divided by 3. 3 17s are 51. So this is again not a prime number. 101. Observing a number, you could make out it is an odd number. There may be possibility it is a prime or not. You can divide across all the possibilities. You come across that this is a prime number. So we shall circle 101 which states it is a prime number. 105. As you can see, units place is 5. So it will be divisible by 5. So 105 is a composite number. 142. Very easily you could make out units place is an even digit. So it is divisible by 2. So 142 is a composite number. Let us check with 373. This digit seems to be large. A 3-digit number, whenever you come across, try to divide in all the possibilities. When you check, you note that yes, it is a prime number. How about the last one? 1333. Looking at the number, you could make out, yeah, it is divisible by any of the possibilities there. So which it would be? Check with 3. If you add up 4 plus 4, that results to 8. It is not. So check with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 not possible, but 11. Divide 1331 by 11. You see 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 ones are 11. As you can see, this number is divisible by 11. So this concludes 1333 is not a prime number. In this way, we have learned how to identify prime and composite numbers. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.